Hello guys, I'm Devaka back with another new cool video, and in this cool video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader of OnePlus Nord or any other OnePlus device, as this is the first step to install TWRP recovery or flash custom ROMs or even root your device. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Firstly, turn on the developer options by tapping 5 times on the build number in the about section of your phone. Now go to the system settings, then developer options and turn on OEM unlocking and USB debugging on your phone. Don't forget to take a backup, as this process is going to wipe all your data. Now connect the phone to your PC via USB or Type-C cable and set file transfer as USB preference. Now on your desktop, go to the internal storage of your phone and search for OP backup and copy the file present over there into your PC. After pasting the backup file, make sure that ADB drivers are installed on your PC. If not, from the link in the description box below, you can download the ADB drivers for your PC and follow the steps which are shown on the screen to install ADB drivers on your PC. After downloading ADB setup file, just open it up, just type Y and hit on enter 3 times to install ADB drivers on your PC. Once the installing process is done, restart your PC to activate ADB drivers. After restarting, open the Windows partition on your PC, open ADB folder, then hold Shift, right click on your mouse and click on Open PowerShell here or CMD for some other devices. Now type ADB devices and press on enter, and you will see a pop-up on your phone asking you for the permissions of USB debugging. Click on the dialog box and press on allow. Now again type ADB devices and press enter. Now you can see your device is now authorized. Now type ADB space reboot space bootloader to enter into fast boot mode. Here you can see the phone is in fast boot mode and the device bootloader is locked. Type fast boot devices to check whether your phone is connected in fast boot mode or not. Here comes the final code to unlock your phone's bootloader. Fastboot space OEM space unlock. Use volume rockers and power button to navigate. So press 2 times volume down button and then press power button. Now this will wipe all your data, and have some patience, wait for 5 to 10 minutes and you're good to go. This is the easiest way to unlock the bootloader of any OnePlus device, and once the phone boots up, I'll show you how to restore the backup file. Now in the developer options here, you can see the device bootloader is unlocked. Now move the backup file from your PC to the phone's internal storage inside OP backup folder. If you find any pre-existing folder inside OP backup folder, then just delete it and paste the backup file. Now open OnePlus Switch application on your phone, hit on backup and restore, and then hit on restore, and then hit on the file and click on backup. So this was the easiest way to unlock the bootloader without any data loss. Finally, for our subscribers, there is a giveaway coming soon on our channel where we are giving away two OnePlus Notes which are grey in color, one 8GB RAM variant and one 12GB RAM variant, as we are going to get our hands on in the September 1st week. So stay tuned for that. Many other cool videos like installing TWRP recovery, flashing custom ROMs and rooting the OnePlus Nord and some other devices are coming real soon on this channel. So do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified when we upload videos related that. So finally, if you like this video, do hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any comments, regards, feedback on this channel, so let me know in the comment section. So this is Divakar signing off, and I will meet you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.